Hi folks, I just thought I would do a quick video, if the cows will participate, showing you what we look for in our cows to know that they're pregnant, and also to know that they might be getting close to giving birth. So these two girls, the one on the left is Rosie, the one walking away is Ruth, are both pregnant, and the earliest due date I have for them, based on when the bull went in with them last summer, is May 20th, which is only a week away from today. So you might be able to first notice that their bellies are pretty big, so that's a nice obvious sign, although they could be also just fat. You will notice with Rosie, who's getting older, that you can see some of the hip bones a little bit, so we kind of know that that huge belly on her is more likely to not just be her being fat, she's in good condition right now, but in fact more likely that she's pregnant. The way we can tell that she's in good body condition is that we don't see her ribs at all, we don't see her vertebra along her back there, so she's a nice plump lady. Another thing that you can notice on her, which is kind of nice, that she has this white color on her udder because it makes her udder stick out even more, is that she's getting some milk build up in that udder. So that usually we see within a few weeks of them calving, we see that they're starting to develop an udder. I think she's gonna try and take off on me, but hopefully you can kind of appreciate that there. So those are two of the big signs. Now Ruth, her daughter over here, has a much larger belly on her, which I think you can appreciate. She tends to not let me approach super close, but you can also see that, maybe, see that her udder is filling up with milk too. I think you can appreciate that there. And today, or just when I came out to check on the girls a few minutes ago, I noticed that Ruth also had a big plug of mucus hanging from her vulva. So they usually lose this mucus plug within a short time before calving, so within a few days. I'm not sure if you can appreciate, but her vulva is also all puckered up, which is a sign that things might be happening soon. Sometimes we see that the ligaments at the base of the head of the tail are also relaxed. I don't see that on Ruth yet, but I'll keep an eye on her over the next couple of days and we'll see if that develops. So fingers crossed for some healthy calves coming out of these two girls this year. Babies are probably the best part of farming, and baby calves are really cute. So stay tuned, and hopefully I'll get to show you some pictures and videos of them throughout the next few weeks. Have a good night.